Hello everybody, I finally got my hands on these Wicked dolls. I got Elphaba and Glinda, and they look very much better than I originally thought. So I'm quite happy with them, and seems like they just recalled all the dolls just to take out the wrong website with the Sharpie. So that's what took months. Did your dolls also just have the added website removed with a Sharpie? Let me know in the comments. Well, she is very beautiful indeed. Looks like a very good quality. And the outfit is spot on. Ha, you can still see the web address on the back through the Sharpie. So let's start the unboxing. And now, fast forward a bit. I really like the doll. She seems very nice. I really think that she seems like very good quality. I like the outfit. I really like the hands, and they have nails on them. I like the little details that are better than usual Barbie dolls. And she looks very much like the actress Cynthia Erivo. I wanted to leave the hair like this, but it looks very good. So beautiful. I do appreciate the details on the handbag as well. The hat is just a regular rubber, but it looks good. It looks good. It seems like the hat will fall off very easily, sadly, but it looks very good at the doll. Overall, I am very happy with this Elphaba doll, and I really enjoy the Wicked movie. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to, and come back for the Glinda unboxing later. Bye bye.